The following is just extended outlook forecast discussion from the National Weather Service of Washington, D.C. The interest over here is in regards to a storm system that is expected to develop in the Gulf of Mexico later this week, which possibly will be affecting the East Coast. We're also just going to quickly read the near term. This was issued by the Baltimore National Weather Service, Washington, D.C., 10:43 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday, December 11, 2023. Synopsis. After a bout of wintry weather this morning, a drier start to the work week will soon follow by the early afternoon hours, with high pressure building in today and tonight. Conditions will likely remain dry Tuesday into Saturday, with temperatures warming slightly into the weekend as high pressure lingers around the mid-Atlantic. Mid-morning update. The primary precipitation shield associated with last night's system has progressed well off to our north and east as low pressure tracks into the Gulf of Maine. As a result, conditions are dry this morning to the east of the Allegheny Front. Along and west of the Allegheny Front, a few upslope snow showers will remain possible through the early afternoon hours. However, little to no additional accumulation is expected there. As a result, all winter weather headlines have been canceled. Previous discussion follows. We're going to go ahead and skip to the long term, Thursday through Sunday. High pressure dominates across the region, maintaining dry and seasonal conditions late week into the weekend. Cooler highs on Thursday in the 40s, becoming upper 40s to low 50s Friday through the weekend. Still cold Thursday night, as lows drop to the upper teens to 20s. The nighttime temperatures moderate to the upper 20s to 30s Friday night into the weekend. The next system to impact the region could come late next weekend into the start of the following week. The GFS and the European computer model develop a coastal low over or near the southeast states, then move the low north in vicinity of the mid-Atlantic. However, the forecast is very uncertain due to significant timing intensity discrepancies between the models. Let's go ahead and we're going to skip now to an additional East Coast city. Boston, Massachusetts. We're going to skip to let's see if there's anything interesting over the short term. We're just going to read the long term. Near to below normal temperatures give way to another warm-up by next weekend. Upper level patterns should feature a broad trough over much of the eastern U.S. through the midweek, but with a lack of downstream blocking, the synoptic pattern remains progressive and this trough will exit to the Maritimes. This will allow for a pattern change late this week as an upper ridge takes hold and brings yet another warm-up into next weekend. This pattern also favors dry weather overall, with a large high pressure nearby to our south and west. So this does not discuss the storm system. The Boston, Massachusetts National Weather Service does not discuss the storm for early next week. We go now to the Raleigh, North Carolina. Synopsis, 9:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday, December 11, 2023. A strong cold front will push off the North Carolina coast this morning. Behind the front, surface high pressure will build into the southeast today through Tuesday. A dry secondary cold front will cross the area early Wednesday and will be followed by another high pressure area late Wednesday into Friday. And we go now into the long-term second paragraph, issued 3:01 a.m., Monday, December 11th. Latest ensemble guidance has delayed the next chance for rain until at least Saturday night or Sunday, associated with a developing trough and surface low over the Gulf of Mexico. The GEFS continues to be a bit quicker, bringing associated precipitation into our area compared to the CMC and the ENS solutions. As such, leaned more so on the CMC ENS for introducing slight to chance Precipitation probabilities, early Sunday morning into the afternoon period. We go now to the New York City, New York, but we're going to do that on a different episode.